Hi friends, welcome to my channel Math Olympiad Questions and Answers. Today we are discussed about mirror images. We already discussed about these mirror images in previous video, but now we are discussing about the mirror images of alphabets. So please subscribe my channel for getting more related Math Olympiad questions and answers. So let's now we are discussing about what is a mirror image. A mirror image is a reflected duplication of an object that appears almost identical but is reversed in the direction perpendicular to the mirror surface. This about this image we are already discussed, but just small introduction about these alphabets. See this C. What is the mirror image of this C? Just left side and right side only it will change. For example, C is like this, just this left and right will change and the mirror image will get like this. And the mirror image of N, same way, this left side changed into right and right side changed to left. In this R also, left side changed into right and right side changed into left. Just left and right sides only it will change. No, not changed the upside and downsides. So these digits 0 to 9 digits and A to Z we are already discussed about this, but now we will work on mirror images of alphabets. So just brief introduction. So let's observe 0 to 9, just only 0 and 8. The letters are identical. In A alphabets, A, H, I, M and O. Finally, these T, T, T to Y. These are mirror images are identical. Identical means no change in the original image and mirror images. See, let's observe. O is as it is O and 8, 8, 0 as it is, 8 is as it is 8. A, H, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. These all are identical. Means same as the original image is same as the mirror image. Let's start the worksheet. See what is the mirror image of the word water. So how to find out? Just observe first. I will explain. Listen carefully. First take the letter water. So I will explain the mirror image of water in two steps. Observe carefully. In step 1, in step 1, see, uh, this left, all the letters are changed from left to right. These are will come here. E, then T, next A, next W. So in step 2, we will get the original mirror image of the water. So for our, what is the mirror image we are already discussed about in previous uh, one, just left and right will change. So for E, like this. T as T is will come identical. A also identical. W also identical. So what is the answer? R E. See, in option A, E is as it is. So this is not an answer. In option B, T. T is reversed. This is not a mirror image. So this is not correct answer. In option C, R E T A W. So this is the correct answer. In option D also, T, upside and downside it will change it. So this is not an answer. So finally the answer is C. So work with me and first pause the video and try for the answer and write your comment in the comment box, then play for the solution. Okay. Now what is the mirror image of magazine? So first change, reverse the all letters from right to left. All the letters are changed. E in step 1 previously I explained like that. E N I Z A G A M. Now in step 2 what we'll do, each letter mirror image you will write. So for E, what is the mirror image? E. For N, like this, as this will come now. For N, for N, see mirror image of N. Mirror image of I is identical as this will come. Mirror image of Z will come like this. Mirror image of A as this it will come. Mirror image of G it will come like this. Mirror image of A as this it will come, and M also as it is. Let's observe the options. First option MA, so this one not correct. Third option C MA, this is also not correct. First, all the letters are reversed from right to left. ENI. So in second and fourth option, ENI, like that. So observe these 2 and 4 options carefully. E is mirror image, correct. N also mirror image. I also mirror image. But Z is not a mirror image. This is original image. So option 2 also wrong. So finally correct answer is option 4. Let's check with your answer. E N I Z A Z A M. So the correct answer is 4. Next, next 2 4 7 5 9 6. So first what will come? 6 9 5 7 4 2. Now find out the mirror image of each individual letter. For 6, what is the mirror image? See, first observe the first option. For 6, not here original image is there, so this is not an correct option. Now observe for 6. What is the mirror image of 6? Like this you will get. So in this option 2, this is not correct. So in option 4, you observe for 6 you will get mirror image, for 9 also you will get a mirror image. 5, 7, 4, 2. So correct option is 4. Next, in first page we are already discussed about 0, 8, the letters in 0, 8, and letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y are identical. Identical means there is no change in mirror image and original image. Now find out the mirror image of national. So for national, first in step 1, how to write? First write L, A, N, O, I, T, A, N. Now find out the mirror image of this for each individual letter. Find out the mirror image. See, for L you will get L like this. So option 1, 3 and 2 may possible. Option 4 is not possible. So this is not an option. So first, third and second you will observe L is mirror image, A also mirror image, N in option 3 N is not mirror image. This is original image. So wrong. Now observe 1 and 2. L, A, N, O, I. O, I also mirror images. T, observe the T. For in 1, you will get the T upside and downside changed. It is water image, not a mirror image. So, option 1 also wrong. So, correct answer is 2. Next, painted. So, for painted, first in step 1, how to write? From right side to left side, write all letters. Reverse and right. N, I, A, P. Now find out the mirror image of individual letter. For D, what is the mirror image? Like this you will get. So observe all 1, 2, 3, 4 in all options. D you will get correct. Let's go for the next digit. For E, what is the mirror image? This is the mirror image. So observe 1, 2 and 3 options you will get E mirror image, but in fourth option you will get original image of E. So next, check the third letter T. T as it is it will come mirror image and original is image are same. So T in first option, second option T as it is, third option T is reverse. So this is wrong. So first and second option T is correct. Then check the letter N. In first option N is same original letter, same as original. So in this second option N is mirror image of N. So the correct option is 2. Okay. Let's try with me and pause the video and write your answer in the comment box. Okay. Now we will find out the quality mirror image of quality. So first in step 1, how to write? Y, T, I, L, A, U, Q. So now check in step 2. Find out the mirror image of individual letter. So for Y, you will get the mirror image as it is. So option 1 is wrong option. And check 2, 3 and 4. Y, T, I. These three are identical. So as it is, it will come Y, T, I, Y, T, I. In three options, as it is Y, T, I is same. So let's check the letter L. For L, what is the mirror image? Like this. So observe option 2. Option 2 is wrong. And option 3 and 4, you will get the mirror image of L, correct. A also identical, U also identical, but in fourth option U changed. So the correct option is 3. Let's change this as 3. Okay. Next, find out the mirror image of reasoning. So first what will come? Z will come, but in 1 and 3 or is there, so this is wrong option, this is wrong. And observe G, first G N I N, in second and fourth option G N I N O, up to here both are same. So let's check S. So what is the mirror image of S? Like this it will come. So check second option, mirror image of S is correct. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next, terminate. So first E T A, like that it will come. So first E will come. So option 1 is wrong. Then check 2, 3 and 4. Option 2, what is the mirror image of E? Like this it will come. So in option 4, original image is there, so this is not an option. So 2 and 3, check 2 and 3. E T A N I, up to I, both the options are same. So let's check the letter M. So mirror image of M is identical, but in second option it will change, so this second also wrong. So correct answer is 3. Next, brisk. So first K will come. So in 4 options K only, so mirror image of K is this. So option 3 is not an answer. So observe 1, 2 and 4. K, next S will come. So mirror image of S is like this. So in first option original image is there. So this is wrong. Observe 2 and 4. K, S, I, up to I is common. R, mirror image of R is like this. So option 2 also wrong. Option 4 is the correct option. Please first read the question and pause the video and try yourself. Try to comment the correct answer. Then play for the solution. Okay. Fixing. Fixing. So in this first G will come, but in second option F is there. So this is not a correct option. In 1, 3 and 4 Z. What is the mirror image of G? It will come like this. But in 1, mirror image of Z as it is there. So this is wrong. So observe 3 and 4. Z N I X I. Up to here common. So let's check the mirror image of F. What is the mirror image of F? This is. So in fourth option, mirror image of F is there, but in third option, original image is there. So this is not a correct answer. So final answer is 4. Okay. Next. What is the mirror image of white? So first what will come? E, T, I, like that. So mirror image of E is this. So observe all options. In fourth option, first letter E is original image, not a mirror image. So option 4 is not. So 1, 2 and 3. Check. E is mirror image. Okay. T. T is identical. Identical. So second and 3 are possible answers. In first option, T is upside and downside changes. So this is not a correct option. So observe 2 and 3. In T, I, H are identical. So W also identical, but in second option it will upside and downside change. So this is not a correct answer. So correct answer is 3. Next, judgment. So first what will come? T will come. So but in fourth option J is there. So this is not an option. So T is identical. So in three options T is identical. And N. What is the mirror image of N? This is the mirror image. So in first option N is the original image. So this is not a option. And the second and 3 observe. T, N, E, M, E up to this both are same. Up to E both are same. Then check the letter G. Mirror image of G is this. So in second option G is original image. So this is not a correct answer. So the observe G in third option mirror image of G you will get correct. So on the correct answer is 3. Next, geography. So first what will come? Y will come. In option 3 observe Y is identical. So in option 3 Y upside downside changed. So this is wrong answer. Next check YH. YH are identical. So in 3, 1, 2, 4 options YH are same. So mirror image of P. Mirror image of P you will get like this. But in second option P is same as original image. So this is wrong. Then check 1 and 4. Mirror image of P you will get same. Mirror image of A is identical. But in fourth option A is changed. So this is wrong. So the correct answer is 1. Like this you will check the mirror images of alphabets. Next option. Superior. So first what will come? R will come. But in second and fourth option you will get S. So wrong. These two are wrong options. And 1 and 3 check what is the mirror image of R. Like this it will come. But in third option you will get water image. So this is wrong. So 1 is the correct answer. So like that from option side onwards you will check the answer. Then it will you will find out the answer very less minutes. Okay. Next. So for this word what is the mirror image? I. First I will come. So IH. In all options IH are same. Then let's check the mirror image of 6. Mirror image of 6 you will get like this. So 1, 3 are maybe the answers. 2 and 4. See into 6 is original image, like original image. In fourth option you will get 9. So these two are not an option answers. Now observe these 6, same one. Okay, Q. For Q, what is the mirror image? You will get like this. So option 1 is the correct answer. For Q, observe this line is right side, but in mirror image you will get the line is left side. But in third option, Q is as it is. So 3 also not an answer. 1 is the correct option. Next, find out the mirror image of this. So first you will get 8 to 2 7 4 like that, but in option 1 D is there, so this is wrong. And option 2 4 8 maybe, we will check. So first 8 is correct, then check 2. So 2 also mirror image, mirror image only. 7, so what is a mirror image? 7, you will get like this. So in second option, third option, mirror images only, but in fourth option, 7 is water image. So now check the 4. 4 also correct. Now check G. G also correct. C correct. 9. So 9 also correct. Now check the letter L. So in second option, L is mirror image wrong. In third option, correct mirror image is there for L. So option is 3. Next, what is the mirror image of these? So first A will come, A4101 like that. So in all options, first A only, second letter 4. But in second and third option, 1 is there. So now check 1 and fourth options. A4101 NIA. Up to this, the two options are same up to A. Up to A and or A also same. So now just check the letter T. So for option 4, T is identical. So option 4 is the correct answer. Option 1 also wrong. In T, here it will get water image. So the correct answer is 4. Next, find out the mirror image of this word. So first 2 will come, but in option 1 and option 4, some different letters are there. Now check 2 and 3. 2, so mirror image of 2 is 2, and in 3 also some other word. So this is also wrong answer. So finally the answer is 2. Next, now find out the mirror image of this K. First K will come, but in second option some other word letter is there, so this is wrong. Now check 1, 3 and 4 options. K, A, up to K, A, P, O, D, N, I, 5, up to 5 same common. Up to 5 after you will get 6. So mirror image of 6. Mirror image of 6 is this. So in first option you will get 9. So this is wrong. In third option you will get the wrong one. In fourth option you will get 6. Mirror image correct. So 4, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, H, K, HK common. So 2 is the wrong answer. HK. H is identical, so same. Mirror image of K is this. So in 1 and 3, same image, original image is there. So these two are wrong. So finally the answer is 4. Next, what is the mirror image of informations? So first what letter will come? S will come. But in first 1 and 2 some other letter is there. So these two are wrong. So S, N, O, I, T, A up to A both are same. Now find M. What is the mirror image of M? Same, identical. But in option 4, it is upside downside changes. So wrong. So correct answer is 3. What is the answer? 3. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for getting more enjoying like these videos.